A while back, I showed you how to make a wood sign like this. And if you didn't catch that video, I'll link to it in the descriptions below. And it just walks you through the steps on how to actually make the wood sign and paint on the lettering. So today I'll be showing you how to use your Cricut to make a vinyl, something like this, that you will use in making this wood sign. Let's get started. So I start by opening up Cricut Design Space. I create a new project and click on text. From here I'm going to choose a font that's cursive. Now you'll notice if you go down into the text box and just type what you want it to write, it won't write it in a complete cursive font that's all together. So that's not how you're going to do it. What you're actually going to do is you're going to type each letter individual. Then go ahead and spread them out just so you can see all of your letters. And then you're going to start putting them together. I actually changed my T there because I wanted the lowercase one instead. Go ahead and just put them all together. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of where you want them. Then you're actually going to enlarge what you're seeing, so your view, just so it helps you work with it a little better. And here is where you're going to put everything exactly where you want it to make it look like something that you would write in cursive. Then I'm going to highlight everything and weld it together. And you can see sometimes, you see the A didn't turn out. Sometimes Cricut Design Space just does funky things. If that happens, click undo and go ahead and highlight everything that did work and weld it together. Then weld together that result and, in our example, the A that didn't turn out together. Now, what I'm going to do here is I turned it sideways. I changed it to rotate 90 degrees because I want it to print on a 12 by 24 sheet. I'm going to size it where I want it and then click Make It. Now you're going to make sure that the material size says 12 by 24. And then I'm going to actually move it, center it in the vinyl. And go ahead and click Continue. Now it's going to find my machine and it will tell you exactly what you need on your machine, what blade to use, and it will tell you that you need to click the Load Matte button. So when my Load button flashes, I know that I'm ready to go on the machine. I'm going to take my 12 by 24 vinyl and put it on the mat. Then open your Cricut machine and load it in there. Then press that Load button. And when it's ready, you will see the C button flash. Go ahead and press it. And it will start cutting your vinyl for you. When it's done, that Load button will flash one more time. Go ahead and press that and it will actually unload the vinyl for you.